Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Football Manager 26 game. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. Now the first solution is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Football Manager and then select properties. Go to the controller tab and from the drop down select disable Steam input first and then just restart the game because changing require restart of the game, and then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the game properties, go to controller tab and this time select enable Steam input and then again restart the game, and after restarting the game check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 2 is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the issue. Now check if the controller is working in Football Manager 26 or not. Solution 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other software on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as phone, camera, USB devices, pen drive, mouse, keyboard or additional controllers might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then launch the game and check if it fixes the problem or not. Solution 4. Check if controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. Wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly. Wired controller, try plugging it into different ports and then check. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the issues. Solution 5. Use a wired controller. This is the alternative solutions. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. Solution 6 is to restart Steam, restart PC. So simply restart Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then simply restart your PC and then launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working in Football Manager 26 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.